Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hear yourself speak in OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. Open OBS Studio. Launch OBS Studio on your computer. Go to Audio Settings. In OBS, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Select the Audio tab from the list on the left. Set up Audio Monitoring. Close the Settings menu and return to your main OBS window. Under the Audio Mixer section, usually at the bottom, find your microphone input source. Click on the gear icon settings next to your microphone source. Select Advanced Audio Properties from the drop-down menu. Enable Audio Monitoring. In the Advanced Audio Properties window, you will see a column titled Audio Monitoring next to your microphone source. Click the drop-down menu for your mic input and select Monitor and Output. Monitor and Output. This will let you hear yourself while recording or streaming. Monitor only, mute output. You will hear yourself, but others won't. After selecting, close the window. Adjust monitoring device optional. If you're not hearing yourself, go back to Settings, Audio, and make sure the monitoring device is set to the correct output, usually your headphones or speakers. Test your mic. Speak into your microphone and check if you can hear your voice through the monitoring system. And that's everything you need to know about how to hear yourself speak in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.